Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix audio out of sync on Twitter. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. A weak or unstable connection can cause audio and video fall out of sync. So, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that improves the issue. After that, simply restart the Twitter application. Simply close the app completely and then reopen it, which can help fix temporary glitches that affect audio playback. After that, simply open up the App Store and check for the app update. In the search bar, simply search for X. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. If this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. If the problem still persists, you can simply long press on Twitter, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete again. Once deleted, open the App Store again and reinstall the app. And that's it. That is how you can fix audio out of sync on Twitter. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.